you think people running a $5 million extortion scheme are just going to let you walk away? You're a loose end.
There's a trembler switch under the driver's side of your car. Not bad work. Put any weight on it, that thing will blow up like it's made of solid gasoline.
Somebody wants you dead, Amy. You want to tell us what's going on?
Don't worry, whatever you say. You know what? I'm calling the cops.
I think a demonstration is important.
Wait a minute, wait, that's my car. No, wait, no, what are you? No, no! Oh my God.
Trembler switch.
Are you loving life, nature?
Look, he was going to pay me $100,000. I'm like, Barry, but $100K? Are you kidding me?
Remember his name?
I can't remember his name. He was some kind of farmer.
Where did you meet him?
You're pretty.
Okay, that's all I know. I swear to God.
It's time to leave town, Amy.
Nature the pretty pup.
Should we just pick the lock on the door? You know, like civilized people. The back door is too exposed.
Turning into the hood.
Searching a pre-furnished house is pretty straightforward. Without a lot of furniture or customized safes, there aren't many great hiding places.
Your hair's getting knotted
So once
up.
you've checked all the usual slicks the spots pros would use, you're stuck calling it a day or ripping out the drywall.